Hello, this is part 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Docker application to the world. To share your Docker application, what you have to do, just your installed deploy your Docker application to the Docker Hub server, and Raman he able to access your application. In fact, anybody can access your application. He just need to Docker installed in his system. So it is just like a suppose you want to share your Python file, and the other person only need a Python interpreter to use your app. Similarly for R file, C file, any other to push to the Docker hub, there are two steps involved. First step is connect your local application to the Docker Hub repository, and the second step is that push your local app to the Docker Hub. That's it. This is a Docker hubdocker.com. This is a server, and as you can see that there are only one repository here, and I already used it, and there are no other repository here. So what I am doing now, see, to connect your local app, availability of repository is necessary. Then how you will connect them? So first, create a repository in the Docker Hub server. To create a repository, click here, create repository. Then type here the name. I am writing here Julia dash. Then click here create button. Your repository is successfully built. You build the Docker Hub repository. Now you also build your application in the previous video. So you just need to now connect your local application to the Docker Hub repository. To do connect your local application to the Docker Hub repository, there are three options available. You can opt by Docker file, by images, and by container. You just need to write a suppose you are connect your local application to the Docker Hub by the Docker file. So you just need to run the docker build command. Similarly for images, you have to run docker tag. Similarly, you want to connect by container, so you have to run docker commit command. If you see my previous video, you can know how you can deploy your application by docker file. In this video I'm going to show you only one method, by images. To see the images, type here sudo docker images. There are 4 to 5 images JL dash which I want to deploy on the server. This is another images 0 by Ubuntu. To see the container, type here sudo docker ps -a list of container. So this is my all container. This is container ID. There are 3 containers. So I want to push the images, this images jl dash which has a tag 90.0. So I am writing here sudo docker tag. This is your image, copy, paste, and write here tag name. Then type here your repository name. This is your repository name. So copy this line and paste here. Write here tag name. So I am writing here 1.0. You finally connect your images Docker Hub repository. Now just push it. Sudo docker push. It is pushing my application to the Docker Hub. Just wait a minute. You successfully push your app on the Docker Hub. Refresh this. So as you can see that there is a tag I given, and it deploys successfully. Now anybody can use it. So suppose you want to use it, just pull out. So type here sudo docker pull your repository name. So Ravi 387. Alternative to this, you can build the Docker file also. You can see my last video for that. Then Julia dash tag name, I want to use 1.0, this tag, so I'm writing here 1.0. Check your images, sudo docker images. So this is your repository, Julia dash, so I am using now. Run it. So sudo docker, my application is running now. Let's check it. So it is running on the port 8050 and 8050. So this is your app. It will take time, but it definitely run. This is your application. Thank you.